Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. Idlis is a staple from South India and we normally have it with sambar or chutney. But today, let's give it a twist by making an Indo-Chinese Idli Chilli. I have 6 idlis here, which I'm going to cut into 4. To this, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and I'm just going to coat this really well. I have a wok over here which I'm going to heat, and I'm adding half a cup of oil to this. Once the oil gets hot, I'm going to fry these idlis nice and crisp. These are done. Let's remove them and keep them aside. And in a similar manner, fry the remaining pieces. The wok is nice and hot. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil. In this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 2 inches of ginger that I have cut into juliennes. Let's add 2 green chilies that I have cut. Let's saute this till the ginger and garlic turn golden. I'm going to add 1 onion that I have chopped into cubes. Saute this. Just going to reduce the flame a bit. I'm going to add 1 green capsicum which I have diced. Now to this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce, half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Stir this. I'm just going to allow the vegetables to cook for a minute. To this, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vinegar and a teaspoon of soy sauce. And now let's toss our idlis in this. I'm going to sprinkle a little salt on this. Normally the sauces have salt, so you can adjust your sauce after you've tasted the chili idli. Just let's throw in some fresh spring onion greens. Shut the flame. Toss this gently and remove it in a serving bowl. And our idli chilli is ready to be served. This quick recipe of idli chilli can be served as a snack or as a starter. So do try this dish and let me know.